and welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 3. Today we are going to be talking about using place value to multiply. You can use base 10 models, which is what we're going to do, to multiply one-digit numbers. So let's take a look. All right, so here it says, Grace and her friends are at the mall. They see 3 rows of parked cars. There are 23 cars in each row. How many cars are there altogether? So if I wanted to find 3 times 23 using models, okay, so notice I've got 23, one group of 23, 23, 23. I've got 3 groups of 23, okay? So if we first, well, it'd be 23 plus 23 plus 23. It says if we circle the ones and count the number of ones we have, I've got 3 groups of 3, so that would be 9 ones. Oh, I think that's what we're supposed to write there. We're supposed to write 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. There we go. Okay, so now if I circle the tens to count the number of tens, I'd get 20, 30, 20, 40, 60. So 20 plus 20 plus 20 is 60. So I have 6 tens and 9 ones, which would make 69 would be my answer. So 3 times 23 equals 69. So Grace and her friends see 69 cars. Very nice. All right, let's try another one. Find 2 times 32 using models. Okay. So if our first step is circling the ones, I have 2 plus 2, so there are 4 ones. And then let's circle the tens. 30, 60. I have 6 tens, so it's worth 60. There are 6 tens. Okay, so 2 times 32 is 64. How would you model 2 times 22? Okay, so I'd have 22 and 22. I have 2 groups of 22. So then I'd say, okay, well, I have 2, 4. I have 4 ones and 2, 4. 4 tens. So my answer is 44. 2 times 22 equals 44. Would you rather use base 10 blocks, counters, or mental math to model activity 1? Explain. That's just kind of, hey, I don't know, I kind of like this, using drawing base 10 blocks. It's kind of fun. So that's what I'm going to choose. You might say I'd choose a different one. Drawing base 10 blocks. I like it because I can easily see how many ones and tens I have. Now, you might have a different opinion, and that's fine. These ones are just kind of saying, hey, what do you like? So let's do some examples here. So here I have 2 times 23. I think we already did this one on the first one. So let's skip it. Let's go to 4 times 21. Okay, so I have 21, 21, 21, right? These are, the sticks are tens, and then the dots are 1, right? And then 21. Okay, how many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 ones. How many tens do I have? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 tens. So my answer is 84. Let's do 2 times 22. 22. 2 groups of 22. So I've got 4 ones and 2, 4 tens. 44. 3 times 11. 10, 1, 10, 1, 10, 1. I have 3 groups of 11. So I've got 1, 2, 3 ones and 1, 2, 3 tens. All right, so that's not so bad, is it? And it says draw models if needed. I would like you to practice doing this. This is kind of a good representation of using base 10 blocks to multiply. So thanks for watching to the end, and we'll see you next time.